Hello everyone. Today in our EVS class we are learning about the chapter Our Earth. This is chapter number 13 on page number 74. Let us read the chapter. Have you ever seen a mountain or a river or sea? Talk about them in class. They are asking, have you seen a mountain? Or have you seen a river? Have you seen a sea? What do we mean by the word mountain, river, sea? You know, river and sea are the water bodies. Let us see what they are talking about in the picture. Mama, Baba, what a beautiful river this is. Where does it end? So Papa says, Ahan, it meets the sea far away from here. How are the sea and river different? Let us read this in this chapter. The earth is our home. It is round like an orange and moves around the sea. It is made up of land and water. The green color are the land and the blue is depicting our water. This is our earth. 3 parts of the earth are covered with water and 1 part is made up of land. When you are looking at the picture, you can see now more part is covered with water. Okay. The earth is also known as blue planet because when we look at it, it looks like blue water everywhere. Because it has more water than land. So what do we call our earth? What is the other name? Blue planet. A sphere-shaped model of the earth is called a globe. This is a globe. This is just a model which helps us to understand more about our earth. Landforms. This is our next topic. Land is not the same everywhere. There are hills, mountains, valleys, deserts, plains and islands on earth. These natural features of the earth are called landforms. All these different. Okay. We are going to read about them in this. A hill is a landform that is higher than the land surrounding it. Hills look like cones. They look like cones. Okay. A mountain is a landform that rises high above its surrounding. It is taller than a hill. A mountain usually has steep slopes and rounded or sharp peaks. Some mountains are covered with snow. See, hills are somewhat lower than the mountains. They both are somewhat triangle in shape like a cone, but hills are lower than the mountains. Mountains are also covered with snow. Fine? A valley is a low area of land between 2 hills. 2 higher parts of land that might be hills or mountains. Valley is a place between the 2 lands. Okay? Between the 2 hills. A plain is a flat area of land. A plain surface. Plain occurs as lowlands at the base of valleys and mountains. People grow crops and fruits in plains. You know what? Crops and fruits can be grown on the plain surface. Fine. A desert is a large region that receives very little rainfall each year. It is covered with sand and rocks everywhere. Very few plants like cactus and animals like camel live in deserts. Because deserts is receiving very less rain, so only few plant and animals are there which can survive. You know which plants? That is cactus. And which animal? That is like camel. Only they can survive at a place like a desert. Because rain is very little. An island. The next one. An island is an area of land that is surrounded by water. Islands are found in most water bodies. Island is a place like this is a land surface and this is covered by water from everywhere. So this place is known as island. A forest is an area of land where many trees grow. Many animals live in forest. Forests are very important and grow in many places around the world. See, these forests are very important for us also. Why? Because they are the green part, the trees. They are important for the animals. Animals will be living over here. So forests are very important for all of us. Water on the earth. We have already learned that a large part of the earth's surface is covered with water. The water on the earth is found in different types of water bodies. Water bodies कौन सी होती हैं? These are some few. River, lake, sea and oceans also. A river is a flowing stream of water. This is not a stopped part of water. No, it is just a flowing water. Okay. Water in a river comes either from rain or from melting snow of the mountains. जो mountains पर snow already इकट्ठी थी, when it flows, it melts, it converts into the river. The water in a river is fresh water. Why fresh? Because it is flowing all the time. It is not the still water. A river flows towards the sea and most of the rivers meet the sea. See, we are going to read over here. Let us start with lake. A large body of water surrounded by land is known as a lake. It contains fresh water. Lakes are fairly still bodies of water as compared to a river, in which the water keeps on flowing. If you will be comparing to lake and river, lakes are somewhat still. They are also flowing, but the flow is not the same of like river. Okay, river are flowing on a higher speed. Lakes are somewhat still. But yes, lake are also having the fresh water. A sea. A sea is a large body of water. Sea water is salty. River water is coming up to the sea water. They are joining at one point. Okay, they are very large body of water and they are salty. Last one is oceans. Oceans are water bodies that are bigger than seas. Ocean water is salty too. What they are saying, just like sea water, ocean water is also salty. These are the bigger ones than the sea. They are comparing each ones. Okay. So now read the chapter again to make all the points clear. Go through the chapter, go through the video again. Goodbye. Have a nice day all of you.